Students, now we are in the topic of theory of equations. In previous class, we have completed exercise 4b. Now let us going to discuss the concept of exercise 4c. The concept of exercise 4c. Equations of real coefficients. Equations of real coefficients where roots are conjugate pairs. This is the side heading. Roots are conjugate pairs. Here I am going to discuss with you that the conjugate pairs means if a plus root b is a root of a biquadratic equation, then a minus root b minus a plus root b minus a minus root b are also roots of the biquadratic equation. Means conjugate sides. If a plus ib is a root, then a minus ib and minus a plus ib minus a minus ib also roots of the biquadratic equation. Simply that is the formula. The exercise 4c depends upon only these two formulae. If a plus root b is a third, that is a root of a biquadratic equation, if he given another roots, but there is no problem unless otherwise they did not mention. If they will not mention, then if a plus root be only single root he given, then you can understand a minus root b and a minus a plus root b and minus a minus root b are also roots. If you given another two roots, no problem, no need to calculate, simply a plus root b and a minus root b only roots. If you did not mention, then you can understand a plus root b and a minus root b minus a plus root b minus a minus root b all are roots. Root of a biquadratic equation there. Then a minus root b comma minus a plus root b minus c, minus a plus root b comma minus a minus root b are also roots. Here a plus root b comma a minus root b are conjugate surds. A plus root b comma a minus root b, this is a group, and minus a plus root b comma minus a plus root b comma minus a minus root b are conjugate surds separately. Conjugate surds. So I mean that if we given 2 plus root 3 is a root, then find all roots. If he given, then you can understand that 2 minus root 3 is also root, that's all. But whenever he is asked to find all the roots, we should not mention 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3 like that. In some cases, in x power of 5, x power 6 cases, we can understand if 2 plus root 3 is a root, 2 minus root 3 and minus 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 are roots. If he did not mention clearly, then you can understand 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, that's all. Forget about this one. If he given minus 2 plus root 3, minus 2 minus root 3 only roots. Forget about this one. Like that, of course, you can understand by solving the problems. This is formula 1. Next formula 2. If a plus ib, if a plus ib is a root, a plus ib is a root of a biquadratic equation. Simply equation root of a polynomial equation. Then a minus ib comma minus a plus ib comma minus a minus ib are also roots. Here a plus ib comma a minus ib. This is a pair. Minus a plus ib comma minus a minus ib are conjugate complex numbers. Conjugate complex numbers. So separate I am discussing the a plus ib and a minus ib is a conjugate pair, and minus a plus ib and minus a is a conjugate pair. Conjugate means you can understand for only imaginary part. So this is minus a, this should be minus a. Here plus and minus will be changed. Here plus a, here also plus a. Plus and minus will be changed at the imaginary part. In a plus ib, it is a complex number. A is called real part and b is called imaginary part, which is having I at the b. It is called imaginary, and if there is no I, it is called real part. Only simple formula depends upon this formula. Now we can discuss sums. Now let us do example 4.3.7, 4.3.6 homework. Four point 3.7 PG. 4.3.7 exam. Students, 4.3.6 is homework. Page 125. Page 125, 4.3.6 is homework, and this is classwork. Solve the equation. Solve the equation x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. One root of which is minus 1 plus root of minus 1. Here I want to discuss with you the matter. But for my quadratic equation, I said the conjugate base root minus 1 plus this is I square. I square root means I. So minus 1 plus minus I. So minus 1 plus I is a root, and minus 1 minus I is also a root. That's all. Because he is asking with us solve. So whenever we should solve the equation, we should consider only two pairs of roots. We should not write minus 1 and plus 1 plus I and plus 1 minus I. Maybe or may not be satisfied or not satisfied, cannot say properly. But you should consider two roots. That's all. Minus 1 plus 2. Since given f of x and given f of x is equal to x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. It is 1. Since minus 1 plus I is a root, minus 1 plus I is a root, minus 1 minus I also a root. This is the formula. Because the roots are always occurs in conjugate pairs. You can understand here minus 1 plus I square over root. That is equal to minus 1 plus I. Otherwise, of course, minus 1 plus or minus I you can write. Minus 1 minus I is also good. Now, you should prepare the quadratic equation. QE with roots. Quadratic equation with roots minus 1 plus I comma minus 1 minus I is. The formula concept x square minus x into sum of roots plus product of roots. Minus 1 plus I plus minus 1 minus I. Plus of minus 1 plus I into minus 1 minus I is equal to 0. Now x square minus x, it's I and minus getting cancel. X square plus 2x here plus a plus ib into a minus ib. Students, try to understand the formula. A plus ib into a minus ib is equal to a square plus b square. Because this is a square minus b square only, because I square equal to minus of minus becomes plus. Here you can understand minus 1 whole square plus 1 square, a square plus b square, a plus ib into a minus ib plus 2. So x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 2. Now, using Harner's method, we can write x power 4 coefficients 1, 4, 5, 2 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 2. We are dividing the biquadratic equation with quadratic equation. Put here minus 2 and minus 2. This is 0, this is 0, triangle 0, this is 0. Here you write 1 into minus 2 here, 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into this minus 2, this is 4, this 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 5, 4, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 into minus 2 means minus 40, minus 2 into minus 2, 4, 14, this is 4 to 8, maybe wrong here, we should get the value. X square plus 2x plus 2 we got, it is absolutely right. By dividing 1, 4, 5, 2 minus 2, yes, exactly. You may get the value, just once verify. This is 1 into minus 2 minus 2, this is 0. 4 minus 2 becomes 2 into minus 2 minus 4, and 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 5 minus, this is minus 1. 5 minus 6 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 becomes 2. And 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. This minus 1 into minus 2 here, 2 into minus 2 becomes minus 4. Okay. Now it is 0, 0 into minus 2, 0. Minus 1 into minus 2 becomes plus 2. This is 0. Okay. Now you can understand this is g of x. So g of x is equal to, we got x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. If factors are there, you can write otherwise minus b plus or minus that concept. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 4 plus 4 root 8 2 root 2 you can write. 2 root 2 by 2, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Here conjugate surds we got. Therefore, hereafter for this exercise 4c, you are going to face the conjugate roots in terms of surds or in terms of conjugate complex numbers. Roots are minus, first one, minus 1 plus I, comma, minus 1 minus I, comma, minus 1 plus root 2, and minus 1 minus root 2. There are the roots. Now page 126, a small theory example is there. Based on theory, example 4.3.8, show that a square by x minus alpha plus b square by x minus beta plus c square by x minus gamma minus x plus delta equal to 0 has only real roots. Has only real roots. If A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, delta are real. In our objective, level 3, maybe 5th question, this one. Only for objective I am discussing with you. This is not at all important for IPE. Show that here a square by x minus alpha plus b square by x minus beta plus c square by x minus gamma minus x plus delta equal to 0 has only real roots. We should prove that this equation has only real roots. That means it has no imaginary roots. So let us try to take the equation has imaginary roots. So let us try to take as alpha plus alpha. Let us take b, a, b, c, b plus iq we can consider. Let p plus iq is a root. So p plus iq like that. If that means instead of x you can substitute p plus iq. Let I am writing let p plus iq, that is an imaginary root. An imaginary root exists for given equation. That implies a square by, instead of x you write p plus iq. This is p plus iq minus alpha plus b square by p plus iq. This is a complex number I am writing here. Here plus c square by p plus iq minus gamma minus of here p plus iq plus delta is equal to 0. That implies a square by p minus alpha plus iq, right, like this. Imaginary part and real part. Next, b square by, here you can write p minus beta plus iq. You can write here c by p minus gamma plus iq. This one also we can understand minus p. If you take here minus p minus delta minus iq. Minus p minus delta minus iq. So minus of p plus iq. Here we can write minus p minus iq plus delta. We can take common like this. So if we take a conjugate, if we multiply with the conjugate both sides, okay, let it be first equation. This is 1. If we take conjugate, so better to write like this. P minus delta plus iq. P minus delta plus iq. Taking conjugate and taking conjugate complex number. So a square by the conjugate complex number of a plus ib is a minus ib. So we can write p minus alpha minus iq. P minus alpha minus iq plus, in the similar way we can write b square by p minus beta minus iq plus c by p minus gamma minus iq. In the similar way, p minus delta minus iq within the brackets. That this is second equation. Now 1 minus 2. If we write 1 minus 2, you can understand here a square taken common 1 by p minus alpha plus iq. 1 by p minus alpha plus I cube minus, try to understand this one, for this one, 1 by p minus alpha minus I plus, keep aside with, put a bracket here. In the similar way, put a bracket, b square 1 by p minus beta plus I cube minus 1 by p minus beta minus I cube plus c square, you can take on not c square here, plus c square into 1 by p minus gamma plus I cube minus 1 by p minus gamma minus I cube. Next one, minus p, you can write minus p plus delta minus I cube. For this term I am discussing with you. You are doing plus minus, so it becomes plus p minus delta minus I cube equal to 0. This is also equal to 0. Now it became plus, so add this. So minus p plus p will be getting cancelled. Delta will be getting cancelled. Minus 2 I cube is there. One thing you can understand here, a square into here p minus alpha minus I cube minus p, if taking this side, p minus alpha minus I cube. Okay, write a symbol like this, p minus alpha minus I cube minus of p minus alpha minus I cube direct time by whole by, I said the formula a plus ib into a minus ib concept, a square plus b square. Here you write p minus alpha whole square plus q square. Keep aside. Next b square into, in the similar way, p minus beta minus I cube, p minus beta minus I cube, p minus beta within bracket, minus of p minus beta, simply put minus I cube, whole by, here concept p minus beta whole square plus q square. Next, plus c square into, you can write here p minus gamma minus I cube, p minus gamma minus I cube minus of p minus gamma minus I cube, whole by p minus gamma whole square, p minus gamma whole square plus q square, and here we can get minus 2 I cube. Total is equal to 0. Now p minus alpha get cancelled, p minus beta get cancelled, p minus gamma get cancelled. That is equal to, here try to understand that minus 2 I cube you will be getting here, minus 2 I cube you are getting here also, minus 2 I cube you are getting here also, minus 2 I cube is not p cube, this is I, minus 2 I cube. So for every term, for all 4 terms, take a common minus 2 I cube. Minus 2 I cube. Now you can write here a square by p minus alpha whole square plus q square plus b square by p minus beta whole square, b square by p minus beta whole square plus q square plus c square by p minus gamma whole square, c square by p minus gamma whole square plus r q square plus this is 1 equal to, this is the sum we got. If you multiply with 2 I cube, it becomes, divide by 2, that to minus 2. You can write a square by, is all story, p minus alpha whole square plus q square plus b square by p minus beta whole square plus q square plus c square by p minus gamma whole square plus q square plus 1. Here one thing you can understand that we know that every square is positive. According to condition A, B, C, B, Q are everything real. Every real number is positive. There is no chance to get even 0 here. Whenever it is 0, 1 by 0 comes to infinity. So 100% it is, even though the values are negative, the squares are positive. And positive plus at last 1 is there. It is positive. Positive plus positive becomes positive. It never be 0. But we got here 0. So here explanation we should write, since every square is positive. Here the explanation I am writing here, since every square is positive, every square is positive, and positive plus positive is equal to positive. Positive plus positive plus positive is equal to positive, but not 0. But we got the 0. Therefore, this is a contradiction. Contradiction. What is contradiction? Whatever the roots we thought, let t plus iq and imaginary root is having we thought. So whatever you are thinking, we are having that imaginary root exist for this expression. Now we got this contradiction. So why did we get contradiction? We have taken the contradict statement. So there is no question of imaginary roots. For all the roots are real only. That is the rule here. Now you can write here, whenever this is contradiction, there is no imaginary root. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. There is no imaginary root. In bracket you write, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong, false. Therefore, f of x has all real roots. F of x has all real roots. It is the correct statement. This is not at all important for the examination, but this is only theory. For whenever x by only single x is given, you cannot calculate, you cannot find imaginary roots. That is a simple theory in objective level 3, 5th question is it. That is why I said in there I will not say again this question. Simply I will say example 4. Page 126, example 4.3.8 you have faced like I say simply. Now you can understand another question answer also we got in exercise 4C. The same question, 9th question is there, page 129. The same question, page 129, exercise 4C, Roman number 3, Roman number 2, 9th question. This is the same question. No need to do the sum as this. This answer is that answer. Now let us calculate another example. Page number 127. Solving is there. 1 minus root 5 like this. 4.3.10 sum. Given conjugate third 4.3.10 example. Page 127. solve x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 4x square plus 8x minus 8 equal to 0, given that one root is 1 minus root 5. One root is 1 minus root 5. This is biquadratic equation. I think in previous example I said that conjugate complex root. Now we are going to discuss conjugate surd as a root. Given f of x. Given f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 4x square plus 8x minus 8 equal to 0. Since 1 minus root 5 is a root, 1 minus root 5 is a root of f of x, that is 1 plus root 5 is also root, because the concepts are existing in conjugate phase is also a root. Now QE with roots, QE with roots 1 minus root 5 comma 1 plus root 5 is according to x square minus x into sum of roots is product of roots 1 minus root 5 plus 1 plus root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 into 1 plus root 5 equal to 0. First we need to prepare quadratic equation. X square minus root 5 get cancelled. This is 2x. Here a plus b into a minus b concept a square minus b square 1 minus 5 becomes minus 4. So x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now after completion of this one by Harner's method. By Harner's method we have, I mean synthetic division method, you write 1 minus 5 4 8 minus 8. If you read coefficient miss, then you put 0. 4 3 2 1 constant. 1 minus 5 4 8 minus 8. We are dividing the by quadratic with quadratic. You put here if it is minus 2, you put here it is 2, and if it is minus 4, it is 4. Put here this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. This is triangle method. Here 1, this is add, this 1 should be multiplied with this 2 here, 1 to the 2, and add this one minus 5 plus 2 becomes minus 3. This minus 3 should be multiplied with first one. This is new. New also always multiplied with first one. Old multiplied with second one. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6, and 1 into 4 here 4. 4 4 8 8 minus 6 2. This 2 into 2 becomes 4, and minus 3 into 4 minus 12. 8 4 12, 12 minus 12 0. Of course this is 0, it's 0. Now this 2 should multiply with 4, it is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, this is okay, 0. Now you can write g of x. G of x is x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can understand we got general roots. X square minus 3x plus 2, you can write x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 2. Therefore roots are 1 minus root 5 comma 1 plus root 5 comma 1 comma 2. That is why I said that unless otherwise he said you should not count 1 minus root 5, 1 plus root 5 minus 1 plus root 5 minus 1 minus root 5, like you should not take. If he given solve, maybe the roots are will be conjugate pairs or not, but only two roots you should consider and divide. Follow this method. Next 4 point, form a monic polynomial equation. Forming a monic polynomial equation. Formation of equations. 4.3.1. Form the monic polynomial equation. Form the monic polynomial equation of degree 4 whose roots are 4 plus root 3, 4 minus root 3, 2 plus I and 2 minus I. 2 plus I and 2 minus I. Here you can understand the roots existed in pairs. First one is surds and second one is complex numbers. QE with first you need to solution you will be calculate QE with surds and next QE with complex. This is not possible, this is not possible. So QE with surds and QE with complex numbers you calculate. QE with roots are 4 plus root 3 comma 4 minus root 3. You can write this one as x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So this is 16 minus 3 equal to 16 minus 3. So it is 30. A plus b into a minus b whole square mod of 16 minus 3 is 7. This is 4 plus root 3, 4 minus root 3 becomes 8x. This is a quadratic equation. Next, again you should write another quadratic equation. QE with roots 2 plus I comma 2 minus I. This is also the concept x square minus 4x plus 5. Because this is a plus ib into a minus ib. Now, required equation. Required equation. You should multiply fully. X square minus 8x plus 13 into x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now multiply x power 4 minus 4x cube minus plus 5x square. Multiply with each minus 8x cube minus of minus plus 8 is 32x square. Next minus this is 40x. This is 40x and this is complete. It's 30 you can multiply. 30x square minus 30 those are 56x minus of this is plus 65 equal to 0. Write in an order x power 4 minus this is 12x cube. Next till 5 plus 32 plus 13. Students 5 x power 4 minus 12x cube, that's all. Next 5x square plus 32 37 37 plus 30 50 50x square. Next x terms minus 40 minus 52 becomes minus 92x plus constant 65 equal to 0. X power 4 minus 12x cube plus 50x square minus 92x plus 65 equal to 0. That's all. Next solution is there. One. Let us consider another example. Example 2, page number 128. So each and every model I am discussing with you. So many sums I can give homework. Depends upon this all concept. Page 128, example 2. Solve 6x power 4. Solve 6x power 4 minus 13x cube minus 35x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Given that 1 of its root is 2 plus root. One of its root is 2 plus root. For complex number solution, I said an example. Now this is third example. Since you can given f of x, first of all, you write given f of x. Given f of x is equal to 6x power 4 minus 13x cubed plus 35x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Next, since 2 plus root 3 is a root, since 2 plus root 3 is a root, then 2 minus root 3 is also a root. Is also a root. Now you prepare QE. QE with roots 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3 is x square minus 4x plus 1. X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now by Arnold's synthetic division method, Arnold's synthetic division method, write the quotient 6 minus 13 and minus 35 minus 1 3. We are doing dividing the quadratic by quadratic equation with quadratic. Put here 0 0 0, this is 0. Quotient 4 3 2 1 constant proper way. They are in proper way. Put here this is 4 and this is 1. So 6, add here 6, this 6 for the 24. Right here this is 11. 11 4s are 44 and 6 1s are 6. 44 plus 6 50, 50 minus 35 becomes 15. This is minus no students, not 1. So 6 into minus 1 minus 6. 44 minus 41 3. 3 4s are 12. 6 11 1s are 11 minus 11. Yes, this is 0. This is 0. 3 into minus 1. This is 0. Now you can write g of x. G of x is equal to 6x square plus 11x plus 3 equal to 0. 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18. Factors are there. 6x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Take 2x common, 3x common here. It becomes 2x plus 3. And 1 take common here. It becomes 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now you can write 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 3. 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 comma x is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2 general roots we got. Roots we can write. Therefore, the conclusion roots are 2 minus root 3 comma 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3 comma minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3 and minus 3 by 2. These are all 7 marks questions only, students. There is no question of 4 marks in this chapter because the weightage is 2 plus 7. That is why this question is also for 7 marks only. In exercise 4C, I think you can do all the sums homework, but I'll say in exercise 4C. First Roman, everything you do homework 1, 2, 3, 4. You can prepare the quadratic equation already one model I said. In first Roman, second one, he given find the polynomial equation with rational coefficients whose roots are. So with 4 root 3 it is not possible. Whenever 4 root 3 is there, minus 4 root 3 is also root, you consider. So you can get the biquadratic equation like this. You should consider whenever 5 plus 2i is there, then 5 minus 2i is root. So prepare this quadratic and this quadratic, multiply later. Next, for this one, I think you can understand now 1 plus 5i only he given. Then 1 minus 5i is also root. 5 minus I he given. Then 5 plus I is also a root. So first of all, you need to calculate this quadratic equation. Next, you need to calculate this quadratic equation. Later, multiply the two equations. Like that you do. Only I want to discuss with you Roman number 2, fourth question. 2 minus root 3. Roman number 2, fourth also you can do this method. 2 plus root 3 x power 4 minus print mistake is there. Just correct the print mistake. Roman number 2, fourth question. Print mistake. Roman number 2, fourth question. Print mistake is there. Write the question like this: x power 4 plus is there in your textbook. I think plus is not correct. Minus you put. X power 4 minus 6x plus 11x square minus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is okay. Given root is 2 plus root 3. I think you can do all the sums. Roman number 2, 7th question and 8th question. I'll say. If given that root 2 plus root 5 is there, we can do the third concept. Root 2 plus, now here we can understand root 2 plus root 5, root 2 minus root 5, like that we can do it. 7th question I will say. And 7 and 8. 8th question is the same model. Solve the equation. Only simple 7 is enough. Remaining all sums you can do homework. Exercise 4C, Roman number 2, 7th question. Exercise 4C. Roman number 2, 7th question, page number 128. Solve 3x power 5 minus 4x power 4 minus 42x cubed plus 56x square plus 27x minus 36 equal to 0. Given that root 2 comma root 5 is one of its root. One of its root. You can take, students, since root 2 plus root 5 is a root. Root 2 minus root 5 minus root 2 plus root 5 minus root 2 minus root 5 are roots. Prepare QEs. QE with roots. QE with roots root 2 plus root 5 comma root 2 minus root 5. X square minus x into root 2 plus root 5 plus root 2 minus root 5 plus of root 2 plus root 5 into root 2 minus root 5 equal to 0. You can write here x square minus x into 2 root. Here a plus b into a minus b formula, a square plus b square, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 becomes minus 3. X square minus 2 root 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Keep aside. Again I am writing QE with roots. QE with roots. Root minus root 2 plus root 5, comma minus root 2 minus root 5, minus root 2 minus root 5 is x square minus x into minus root 2 plus root 5 minus root 2 minus root 5 plus of minus root 2 plus root 5 into minus root 2 minus root 5 equal to 0. We can understand that one as x square minus here also minus root 5 get cancelled, minus root 2 into minus root 2 becomes plus 2 root 2x plus 2 root 2x plus here also a square minus b square concept 2 minus 5 minus root 2 whole square minus root 5 whole square 2 minus 5 becomes minus 3 equal to 0. Biquadratic equation I am preparing. Biquadratic equation with conjugate pairs of roots. Conjugate pairs of roots. Write like this: x square minus 3 minus 2 root 2x. Put like this. This is the objective question. X square minus 3 plus 2 root 2x. I think in level 3 the same question is there. Now you can understand a plus b into a minus b concept. A square minus b square. X square minus 3 whole square minus 2 root 2x whole square equal to 0. That implies you can understand x power 4 minus 6x square plus 9 minus this is 8x square equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 40x square plus 9 equal to 0. X power 4 minus 14x square plus 9 equal to 0. X square minus 3 it's okay, minus 2 root 2x plus 2 root x. X square x power 4 minus 6x square plus 9 minus 2 root x square means 8x square. So this is the biquadratic equation we got. We should calculate another root. So roots are okay. Now we should divide with this one. Biquadratic equation is not possible. So dividing in old method. See the question: 3x power 5 like this. We can write 3x power 5 minus 4x cube minus 4x power 4 minus 42x cube plus 56x square plus 27x minus 36. Divide with polynomial x power 4 minus 14x square plus 9. Now here 3 will be getting cancelled, so you should multiply with 3x. Multiply here, it becomes 3x power 5 minus 3 14s are 42x power x cube. X power 4 I said, so with x cube you should get now. Plus 9 3s are 27x. Subtract here, this is minus becomes plus, this is minus. So minus 4x power 4 you should write. Minus 42x cube and plus 42x cube will be getting cancelled. Next to plus this one drop here, 56x square, 27x will be get cancelled, minus 36 you put. Now you can understand minus 4 you put here. So it becomes minus 4x power 4 minus of minus plus 56x square minus, so minus 30. Yeah, exactly this will be getting cancelled. Therefore, you can understand 3x minus 4 equal to 0 is single monomial. So x is equal to 4 by 3 we got. Therefore, you can say roots are the conjugate surds only. We got whatever the roots we given in this one. Root 2 plus root 5 comma root 2 minus root 5 comma minus root 2 plus root 5 comma minus root 2 minus root 5, and the real root is 4 by 3 is the rational root. We got the rational root is 4 by 3. Okay students, from my end this is completed. Every model I said and every concept I said, I am giving the entire exercise for C apart from this one homework. You can understand, you do the homework all sums. If you are having any doubt, ask me. Okay students, let us continue next topic in next class.